Welcome. In front of me is a Blackview A90, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications, expand them, and locate the toggle, which for me is right over here. Now once you find the toggle, you can tap on it, select OK, and as you can see, it automatically starts recording. So whatever you will do right now obviously will be recorded by the device, and once you're done with it, simply tap on a square right over here. It will give a pop-up letting you know that it has saved the recording, and that recording can be found in your Photos application. So there we go. So there we go. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.